Hi friends, this video shows how to add or remove streaming services from Google TV profile. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner, go to accounts and profiles, select one Google TV profile. Let me select this profile Anna. Here you can see profile settings, select your services. Here you can see list of streaming services. I am going to add some streaming services to this Google TV profile and let me add Amazon Prime Video, Geo Hotstar, Netflix. So this way we can add streaming services to Google TV profile. Later if you want to remove, you can remove like this. See, this way we can remove these streaming services from Google TV profile. This way we can add or remove streaming services from Google TV profile. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.